Okay, the device is used to measure the length of screws or the caliber of it. Okay. All right, we have mounted the SD card here. You can see it. The printer says media inserted. All right. Then I will do print to media. Bolt solder. Then the printer will start warming up. We can see the temperature here. And we need to heat the bed and heat the nozzle. So we have to wait a little bit for the printer to warm up, and then it will start printing.
The work consists in putting layers, one on top of the other, similar as when a building is constructed, putting one story on top of the other. Well, it's finished. We just need to remove it from the bed. And this is the final product. I just painted the face of the digits with a silver Sharpie to put some color on it. Thanks for watching.